Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're going to be playing 50v50 squads. Let's do this. And I'll see you guys when we go into the game, but not. Alright guys, so we're back here in the battle bus. Let's see where we're going to be going at. Let's go for shifty shafts. That is a good place and jump down right there. Let's just follow where it goes to be there quickly. Okay, there we go, guys. Let's go down right over here. No, might be going the wrong way, but we're gonna go to that side later on. Not right now. So, what? Why is there a car up here? Okay, that's really weird, guys. Well, that's actually unusual. Let's break this. Don't want to stuff. Okay, there you go. I like the attics more because there's gonna be like a bunch of things. Ooh, boogie bomb! Yes. Shield potion. I'll call it chug jug. I've actually seen that chug jug before too. Another chest! Yes! We got lucky that time, guys. Hand cannon. Put it fort. Shield potion. Let's get this really quick. The chug jug takes 15 seconds. And let's get another one really quick. That's gonna be 100. Okay. Let's go, guys. This is gonna be actually hard. As usual, okay, guys. I think I saw someone right there. We gotta be quiet, guys. This is gonna be really hard. As usual, okay, of course. Base one. Okay, he's right there. I don't know what to do now. Am I going here for no reason? Nope, I'm going here for a good reason. Sorry, that's just my brother. Guys. Something down there. Okay, we're gonna go and see what's it. Hand cannon. Beat this. Come on. Let's just put the porta fort where we are. Where we're going to go, guys. So, let's at the chest. Oh, we're gonna go over here, guys. Down. What is this? Ooh, Subchindiolion, whatever the gun is named. Oh. Chest. Yes, we got another chest, everyone. We got 3 chests in a row. Yeah, there's gonna be really nothing good. Oh no, we want the porta fort. Don't we, everyone? A bunch of people would like to see the porta fort more than the hunting rifle. Ooh, that's a lot of lives right there, guys. Yo, I think we're gonna actually win. This is gonna be epic. Victory Royale. In 50v50, I got a bunch of Victory Royales in 50v50. I'm gonna try to go to a place where a bunch of people are, so let's go look at the map. What? All my teammates are spread around. Yo, someone's already. Somebody sniped me. Yo guys, somebody sniped me, everyone. Oh, we got killed. What? Where's this guy hiding? He was hiding up there all along, and then he shot me. That's actually hard, everyone. So let's go return to the lobby. So guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys subscribe, and let's finish this video actually. Peace out and have a great day.